I greet you all in the wonderful name of Jesus. My name is Nondumiso Ngozo, a born-again Christian that loves God wholeheartedly. Standing before you all today, I'll be representing Group of Grace, Youth of Shiloh, Tabernacle of Christ, as we pay tribute to our beloved man of God, Bishop Dhlamini. On the 4th of June 2023, Ubaba preached about a hero, and little did he know he was talking about himself, because that's how we viewed him as the youth. He stated that a hero is a person who is admired for their courage, outstanding achievement, or noble qualities. A hero is brave, generous, consistent, diligent, gregarious, dauntless, and compassionate. And we believe there are no better words to describe Ubaba. Today, this outpouring of love and respect is only proof that Ubaba was not a hero to only us the youth, but to the whole community and the people around him. He was so kind, Bazalwane. He never lost his sense of humor, and his mannerisms never indicated that he holds such a prestigious position. He was proof that you can find success through humility. It's very hard to describe how much he meant to us. But Maya Angelou once said, I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Ubaba had a way to make us feel extraordinary. He had nicknames for us all. Tso by Tso for Hutato, Krabo for Garabo, and Cleo for Theo. What we'll miss the most is his welcoming smile from across the room, and his passionate rhetoric of his calling and anything that involved God. Ubaba loved praise and worship, and we believe he worshipped and danced his way into heaven. I'm not going to lie, it pains us that he is gone, but we find comfort in knowing that he has gone to his employer, and his job here on earth is done. He brought so much peace to the world, to our lives. It is time for him to have peace for eternity. Thank you.